And I am Monica from IELTS 9. So we will be doing this reading, Communicating Conflicts, that was part of 10th October 2024 IELTS exam that has happened in India and my neighboring country also. So maybe in neighboring country, different reading may be there. So here they have given section wise. Okay. For that reading, we have been given list of headings. Second type of question, we have true, false, not given. Third also we have true false not given. Third we have multiple choice question. Okay, so I will start my reading with this list of headings. So I was telling you something about so there is one list of heading, it is given like historical explanation of understanding personality. So before starting the actual reading passage, actual video, I will tell you one thing here. So historical explanation, it means that is sure that they will be talking about some historical past events, old dates and all. But here there are two paragraphs. Then how will you decide which one is the correct paragraph for this heading? I will tell you. So here in first A, section A also they are talking about old dates. As far back as Hippocrates time, this BC have people have tried to understand other people by this and this according to personality type or temperament. Hippocrates believed. So everything they are just talking about 500 years ago. So what do you think? Are they talking about the same thing, historical explanation of understanding personality? Because here personality is also given. Some will say yes, this is the answer, but there is one more paragraph just talking about the same thing. But here it is confirmed that some old dates they have given, old years dates they have given, and how this person they were talking about during this time, have people how people have tried to understand other people by this according to personality types. This is also given here, you can read it. And one more paragraph I will show it to you. So here C paragraph is also like that. Hippocrates and later Galen determined there were four basic temperaments. These descriptions were developed centuries ago and are still somewhat apt, although you could update the wording in today's word. So now you decide, you read it again, and our heading is historical explanation of understanding personality. So here, yes, please read it and then I will tell. So this C is not matching because here they are describing about four basic temperaments, not personality. Explanation of understanding personality. Understanding personality they were talking in first paragraph, A paragraph. I will show you. Here they are talking about people have tried to understand other people by, it means these all dates are also there and people have tried to understand. Because when I was doing this reading, so I also got confused because in both the paragraph old dates were given. So historical explanation of understanding personality we will select with section A. Section A answer is third number. Okay, so let's do this video. And first type of question we will be doing this list of heading. So how we can do list of heading, that's more important. Follow the strategy. First, within 30 or 40 seconds we will read all the headings also, because first you will try to understand these headings meaning, as well as we will take out some keywords. So when you will be doing more practice, it will take only 30-40 seconds to read all the headings. Different personality types mentioned, recommendation of combined styles for group. Okay, historical explanation of understanding personality that we have done, means historical explanation, historical important, and understanding personality. A lively and positive attitude person depicted, lively and positive attitude. Personality likes a challenge and direct communication. Okay, different characters illustrated. Functions of understanding communication styles. Okay, cautious and considerable person cited. Cautious, calm and factual personality. Self assessment determines one's temperament. Okay, now we have gone through all. Section 1 we have already read, means section paragraph A. Yes, you do practice with me, and before that you can subscribe, like and comment on this channel. And let's read section number B, means paragraph B. So this is paragraph B. The values in self-assessment, yes, it was the word, that help determine personality style. Okay, the values in self-assessment tool, and assessment that help determine personality style, learning style, communication style, conflict handling style, and other aspects of individuals, that they help depersonalize conflict in interpersonal relationships. Okay, so here they have given the values that help, some helping kind of thing is in developing these personality styles. Some styles is given, so let's read all the options. Different personality types mentioned. So here you can point to be noted, here it is given mentioned. Here they are talking about everything in present tense. So personality word is there, but different personality types mentioned. Not only they are talking about how they are helpful, uh, these styles are helpful in depersonalized conflict in interpersonal relationship. It means this is not the option. So second option we can read, recommendation of combined style for group. So group is also not given actually. That's why I always say read 2 3 sentences, first 2 sentences, then try to match, otherwise we will read somewhat more. Fourth, lively and positive attitude, nothing is given like that. Personality likes challenge, different characters illustrated. No, here also illustrated will not come because past tense. Here they are just talking about present tense. Functions of understanding, communication style word is also there. Functions of understanding. So it means they are talking about these functions. So what kind of help they can give it. So we can select section B with this one. This is 7 number. Section B with 7 number will come. Now section 3. Now you can read section C also, that we have already read. Hippocrates and later Galen determined. Now this is past tense. There were 4 basic temperaments. These names, these descriptions were developed centuries ago. So let's find communication styles also they have given. In today's world, they translate into the 4 fairly common communication styles described. So in first line, they are saying there were 4 basic temperaments. It means there were 4 basic personality style or behavior kind of thing they are talking. Different personality types mentioned, determined, like they are just talking about past tense. So we can select number 1 with third number. This also gone. So you can match it. Any other thing is not matching. Combined style for group is also not given. This we have selected. No personality is given. Only this much is matching for third number. So section C is 1 number will come. Now D number paragraph. The sanguine people. Now sanguine people would be expressive or spirited style of communication. These people speak in pictures. They invest a lot of emotion and energy in their communication and often speak quickly. Okay, putting their whole body into it. They are easily sidetracked onto a story that may or trying to make. They are, because of their enthusiasm, they are great team motivators. So first line, if you match it or from here, would be expressive means they are talking a lot, or spirited style of communication. And last line also we can till here we have already read. Last 2 sentences, their high levels of energy can come on strong at times, and their focus is usually on the bigger picture, which means they sometimes miss the details. These people find conflict or difference. They love change and are constantly looking for new and exciting adventures. Okay, they are motivated, they are having great enthusiasm and great motivators, and would be expressive or spirited style of communication. Let's match it with this. We have done recommended recommendation of combined. No, they are not talking about group. Lively and positive attitude person depicted. Lively and positive, this also we can match. Lively and positive, yes, positive person is this, that's why he is great motivator. Lively and positive attitude person depicted, yes, we can select this also. Any other cautious, they are not talking about cautious, calm and factual. No, nothing is given. So D is number fourth, we can match. Now E number, side by side, whatever important words are there, please match it, please underline or circle the words. So here this person, another personality, cool and preserving, translates into the technical or systematic communication style. So technical, cool. So here they were talking about calm and factual personality illustrated. See this, cool and preserving translates into technical or systematic communication. This style of communication is focused on facts, and see this, facts and the technical details. It means this is the perfect, we have matched with this calm and factual personality listed. So here in first lines, cool is calm, and factual is facts, based on facts and technical. So this E number paragraph we can match with ninth number. So it is ninth number. Now next paragraph. See, this is my F paragraph. Now you can read it. Now another person is there who is soft-hearted and oriented toward doing things for others, translate into considerate or sympathetic communication. A person with this communication is focused on people and relationship. They are good listeners, do things for others. Okay, let's match it. Personality like challenge and direct communication, or things for other into considered sympathetic. A person with this community is focused on people and relationship. Good listeners do things for people, sometimes to the detriment of getting things done for themselves. Okay, nothing like it. Cautious and considerable person, can we go? Calm and factual, this we have selected also. Okay, this also we have selected. Challenge and direct communication, functions of what we have left. This lively person likes challenge and direct communication, functions of no, cautious and considerable person cited. I think they are good listeners and do things for other people, sometimes to the detriment of getting things done for themselves. Detriment means cautious and considerable person cited, we can match it with F number, this one. Now G number we will match, and the last line also we can try to read. They believe that change threatens the status quo and tends to make people feel uneasy. So people with this communication style, like these people, need time to consider changes in order to adopt them. It means they are cautious kind of person is there. Now G number paragraph, let's read it. The choleric temperament translate into bold and direct style of communication. So bold kind of style, here they were talking, yes, challenge and direct communication translate into bold or direct style of communication. People with this style are brief in their communication, the fewer words. They are big picture thinker and love to be involved in many things at once. They are focused on tasks and outcomes. Let's finish this paragraph. So here already we came to know that they are bold person. They are focused on task and outcomes and often forget that people involved in carrying out the task have needs. They don't do detailed work easily as a result. So let's read the last line also. They usually would welcome someone challenging them, but mostly other styles are afraid to do. They also thrive on change, the more the better. So it means they are they likes challenge and direct communication. So this we can select with section G. Now this H is left and second is left, fourth is left, what else is left, and last one is also left. Let's read H number paragraph. A well functioning team, now team should have all of these communication styles for true all teams. Now I will not be reading more because here they are talking about team means group. For true effectiveness, all teams need to focus on the task. They need to take care of relationship in order to achieve. They need the picture perspective and all. So already we came to know we all have aspects of each style within us. Some of us can easily move from one style to another, adapt our style. So no need to read more. The work environment also, that is also relating to teamwork. So we can select this second number with H number paragraph. You see this, all the answers. How we have selected, you can also pause the screen with me and solve it. By reading 3-4 lines or 3-4 sentences, you can easily come to know with headings. Now, true false not given. So before solving true false not given, we can solve multiple choice question. Choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. That's also a repeated kind of question. In many readings, last question is always like multiple choice question. The author, how we will be doing, first we will try to understand the meaning and demand of the question statement. Then we will not read all the options first we will try to understand its meaning and keywords. Those keywords will take us to the location, and where we will get the location of the same sentence structure or some paraphrasing, then we will same answer will be in that sentence only. The author thinks self assessment tools can be able to, okay, what they can do it. Self assessment tools that we have already read in first or second paragraph they were talking. So here in A paragraph, and this is B paragraph, self assessment tools is here. Okay, and here also they were talking self assessment here, but we will read this because we are looking for, just a minute. So these days there is any number of self-assessment tools that relate to the basic description developed by these, although we no longer believe the source to the type of body fluid that dominate our system. If you read only these lines, that will not give you any solution. Let's read full paragraph, because here because last paragraph, last question means you, they can ask you anything, not necessary wherever you will get the location. The author thinks self-assessment tools can be able to, what it can be done with this. If as far as back Hippocrates time, people have tried to understand other people by characterizing them according to personality type or temperament. This person believed there were 4 different body fluids that influenced our basic types of temperament. His work was further developed 500 years later. So first this paragraph we have done. Let's try to match read the options. Assist to develop one's personality in a certain scenario. So there was no assistant kind of thing in certain scenario was also not given. Help to understand colleagues and resolve problem. These colleagues here they were talking about uh, they help. So because here also they are talking about a self assessment, the values in self assessment that help determine personality style. After explaining this or other aspects of individuals is that they help depersonalize conflict in interpersonal relationship. But here it is given in first paragraph, have tried to understand other people by characterizing them according to. So you can see these were colleagues. Help to understand colleagues and resolve problem. So resolve problem, yes, it was given here and in the last also. Here also depersonalize conflict in interpersonal relationship. So we can select this, but here let's read improve the relationship with the boss of the company. So boss kind of thing was not there throughout the whole passage. We have read full passage. Change others' behavior and personality. This also not explained properly. So we can match this one.